Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla, and in today's video, we're talking all about magnesium. Magnesium is super important for your overall health and immune system, and in fact, it's actually responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. So it's very important, and when you become deficient, you start to see a lot of negative symptoms arise. Now, some studies actually suggest that up to 80% of Americans are deficient on some level in magnesium, and this can be due to the poor soil quality, but also stress and caffeine actually deplete magnesium in the body. So we want to make sure you're eating a lot of foods that are high in magnesium, but first I want to go over 7 common symptoms that people see when they're magnesium deficient. The first sign is frequent muscle spasms or cramps. Now, magnesium is known as the relaxation mineral because it helps to relax the nervous system and the muscles in the body. So when you don't have enough magnesium, then the opposite happens. Your muscles get really tense and that can lead to a lot of cramping. And the second sign is high levels of anxiety. So again, going back to the whole relaxation thing, when your nervous system is not relaxed, it can lead to built up stress and anxiety in the body. So if you do experience a lot of anxiety, I definitely recommend getting your magnesium levels checked. And the third symptom of magnesium deficiency is high blood pressure. So there was actually a Harvard study done on over 70,000 people that found that those that had higher levels of magnesium in the body actually had healthier blood pressure numbers. So personally, I believe that that goes back to the fact that magnesium helps to calm the body, calm the nervous system, which ultimately helps to give you healthier blood pressure numbers overall. And the fourth sign of a magnesium deficiency is insomnia or sleeping problems. So if you have problems going to sleep on a regular basis, then it could be because you're deficient in magnesium, and you can easily correct that by taking a supplement. I personally take one called Natural Calm, and back years ago when I was experiencing insomnia, I took this supplement literally every night, and it helped me to sleep like a baby. And now that my reserves, my magnesium levels are back up to normal, I usually only take it about once a week just for maintenance. And the fifth sign of a magnesium deficiency is irregular heartbeat or heart palpitations. So if you ever experience irregular heartbeat, especially if you're just laying in bed and you can feel that your heart is not beating properly or you have the palpitations, then you'll definitely want to get your magnesium levels checked because that's actually a sign of severe magnesium deficiency. Another thing that magnesium deficiency has been linked to is migraine headaches. And this is due to its importance in balancing certain neurotransmitters in the brain. And in fact, a lot of people find relief from their migraines when they take a high quality magnesium supplement. And the last thing that magnesium deficiency is linked to is osteoporosis. So most of us think that to have healthy, strong bones, we just need calcium. Well, that is completely wrong. You also need magnesium, you need vitamin D, vitamin K2, you need all of these nutrients to keep healthy, strong bones, and magnesium is a huge part in that. All right, so what are some of the foods that you can consume on a regular basis that are a good source of magnesium? Well, number one, you have spinach, Swiss chard, almonds, pumpkin seeds, avocados, bananas, and even organic dark chocolate. And if you are experiencing some of the symptoms that I mentioned earlier, then I do suggest taking a high quality magnesium supplement just for a period of time until you restore your levels back to normal. And of course, I use Natural Calm. You don't have to use that, but any sort of high quality, highly absorbable magnesium supplement will do. And then once your levels are back to normal, then you can just maintain by eating foods that are high in magnesium on a regular basis. All right, well, I hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you think it'll help somebody, then of course share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below for more healthy recipes and content. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.